Okay, welcome to week 31, assignment 1. The assignments are going to be pretty much the same for the next few weeks because we're just working our way through code.org. So for the first assignment, you are going to do lesson 2, which is programming with Angry Birds. If this is your first time, your first week, you're new to the class, or you just didn't get started last week, these are the codes that you need to do this. Do not re-put in these codes if you did it last week or if you signed up. So you're going to go to code.org. You're going to sign in and you will go to lesson So when you're signed in, you're going to be doing your programming with Angry Birds for assignment 1. So there are 11 mini lessons within that. All right, so that is what we are doing for assignment 1. Like I said, for the next few weeks, we'll be doing code.org, and then we're going to be working in Spark at the end of the semester. If you have any questions or problems, please let me know, message me, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.